Good morning, brothers. Welcome to A Brown Bag Gentleman. My name is Scott, and we have an unboxing today. Just a small one, just got a few items from Shave Nation. You hear a lot about a lot of different companies out there for selling shaving products, but Shave Nation, to me, is I call Geo Fatboy, who's the owner of the company, does a lot of videos. I call him the godfather of shaving because really he had a big part of me taking that jump into double-edged safety razor shaving many moons ago. So yeah, we're gonna see what I got from him today. Let's see. I'm just looking for an edge to grab to open it. Well, he taped it up really well. So let's take out the knife, which admittedly needs to be sharpened here. And I've got a sharpener in the kitchen. It'll take me a minute to sharpen it. So yeah. And just by the way, too, for sharpening knives, those like KitchenAid Reed Stone spinning stone sharpeners are phenomenal. I've had one for at least 10 plus years, and it's going strong. Does great job on sharpening my kitchen knives and my like little utility knives like this. This is it's not super thick, so it does a great job on those. Anything like thicker and heavier, yeah, I've got other stuff in the garage for that. But for those, it's phenomenal. So just thought I'd throw that out there. Okay, of course we have an interior box here, and let me cut the seal on this one. Here we go, cut the seal. So it's packaged good, there we go. Okay, got it. Got it, okay. Stuff is all wrapped in paper. Don't want it falling out here. I know one of the things I have is glass, so taking out the paper, okay. Oh, we're gonna show you that last. Let's see here. What I want to show you first. Here we go. So first we'll show you this. Whoops, more cutting of tape. There we go. There's that. So I have a Parasho aftershave. I have never owned this one. The sandalwood, I've never owned it. I've owned the green bottle. I've never owned that one. And it smells very pleasant. And of course, I will try this. I'm actually getting ready to do my shaving video next, and I won't be using this and that. So, but this might be a strong contender for tomorrow. So we'll see. But to the side, see what else we got out here. Of course, from Shave Nation. I told you I was doing it in one of the previous videos. So let me cut seal on this one. And we got the alum, our brand new alum one. So the other one I still have sitting right here. Here's my original one, and I've got like this much left, so there's still months worth left in that. But I'm prepared. I got another one because my last backup, actually, I gave away my last giveaway. I gave it away, so I needed another one for myself. So yeah, I bought one. And then the last thing I got, sorry, all this mess here on the counter now. I jumped in the bag and wagon with everybody else. I got the Parker Solo Edge razor, and it's funny. The day I ordered this, the next day, I was seeing advertisements for the one with the magnets built into it. So I'm sure this does not have the magnets. And I was thinking, oh, do I want to return it and all that? No, I actually really don't want to return it for the magnetized one. I do have magnets in a couple of my razors. And of course, you saw that one magnetic razor where the whole cap is magnetized on real strong. And I thought it was really cool. But my twig razors, both of them have magnets in them to help assist in holding it. But with the design, I'm not really thinking it needs it, so let's just take apart this razor. It's a two-piece razor. There we go. So yeah, there we go. So we got like these little guards down here to hold the razor and these little pins here. Of course, that just spins freely with no head on it. But yeah, and I'm not using this today either because I'm doing my Gillette review over the years. So that's what I'm doing today. So yeah, so this won't be used at this weekend at the very earliest. So yeah, so that's what I got going on now. Sorry, I think my video may have just paused there. I was getting a phone call, so I just stopped that. So let me say again. So for this Solo Edge Parker razor, I'm not thinking I really need a magnetized holder to hold the blade. It'd be nice. It's convenience, I guess. But it's not enough to make me want to send this back for the other one. And like my other Parker razor that I have, I can tell you I like the weight of this. Solid handle. Neat looking handle. We'll see how that grabs when it's wet. I will say that these lines down here are not real sharp, but it's like having been being a shooter myself here too. Yeah, I'm used to things with like aggressive gripping and what have you. But This definitely not. Doesn't, but I've had other razors too that they still grip really fine, even though it's not like a really strong grippiness to it. So yeah, I'm not really worried about it. So, but I'm very intrigued to try this. So yeah, I'm looking forward to when I can try that and show it to you. I know, because I say it's been out for a few weeks now, probably a month-ish maybe, and people are giving it great reviews. So yeah, I wanted to try it too, and it does take a single edge DE blade. So with that, that's all I have to show you today. But with that, I hope you enjoyed, and go with God.